First, open Revit and use one of the default templates. Click on Browse and you'll see many template options: architectural, mechanical, plumbing, and structural. In this course, we will choose the structural template. After that, let's start and open the project. First, we will set the project units. Go to the Manage tab, then click on Project Units. Select Length, and for structural projects, we use millimeters. Click OK, then close the window. Second, we will create levels. Go to the East Elevation view, then from the Architecture tab, select Level. Set the offset to 3000 millimeters and place your new levels above the second one. Now, let's rename our levels. The first level will be ground floor, the second level will be first floor, and the third level will be second floor. Now we have completed our template setup. Finally, let's save it. Go to File, Save As, Template, rename it as Project Template, and click Save.